Hello developers, in this video we will learn about concat method and reverse method in JavaScript. So firstly comes to the concat method. So the concat method is used to merge two arrays into a single new array, and it does not change the original array. Instead it will return a new array. Okay, syntax is array.concat. Then we will mention the arrays to be merged. Let's see it with some basic example. Concatenating two arrays. So first array is array 1, 1, 2, 3. Similarly, we will make another array, array 2, 22, 33. Okay. Now we will merge it and will store it in some another array. Const combined array equals to array 1 dot, we will apply concat method, then array 2. Okay. Now we will do console combined array. So can you output will be a single array having all the elements 1, 2, 3, 11, 22, 33. So this is the output. Okay, so we have two arrays, array 1 and array 2. Array 1 containing 1, 2, 3, array 2 containing 11, 22, 33. So we call array 1 dot concat array 2, which joins array 2 to the end of array 1. Okay, so it means array 2 will be joined at the end of array 1. Okay, so this results in the concatenation, and the result will be stored in the combined array. Okay, so this is the concept of concatenation. Now we will jump to reverse method in JavaScript. So the reverse method reverses the orders of elements in an array, and it modifies the original array, and syntax is array.reverse. Okay, so say it with some basic example. Reversing an array of numbers. Let's take an array of numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we will apply reverse method on numbers array. Okay, now we will do console numbers. So can you guess the output? Output will be 4, 3, 2, 1, because reverse method will reverse the array. So we have an array of numbers, and we are calling numbers.reverse to flip the orders of these elements. Okay, now we will apply reverse method on strings, reversing an array of strings. We will comment this code, array of strings. Suppose we have a string of alphabets A, B, C. Okay, so letters dot reverse. Console letters. So can you guess the output? Output will be C, B, then A, because reverse method reverses the orders of elements. So this is the concept of reverse method in JavaScript.